large hail.
Tornadoes are certainly a dangerous weather phenomenon, but they also present an even higher threat at night. Communities across the country have dealt with this nightmare firsthand over the last few days. So to discuss why nighttime tornadoes are in fact more dangerous than their daytime counterparts, here's meteorologist Jenna Warner.
That is exactly right, and that's exactly what residents saw this weekend. As we just saw, Kentucky saw lots of tornadoes this weekend, Friday specifically, and we had multiple long-lived thunderstorms. So that means they produced multiple tornadoes within their lifetime, and one of those hit London, Kentucky at night. Now, it was near midnight this struck London, Kentucky, and that means you can't see the tornado, a large, violent tornado hitting your home at night. If you are not aware of that occurring, there's not a lot of warning in sight for that, especially if you're asleep, and that's part of the problem. Also, last night in Kansas, the same thing occurred. A long-track thunderstorm dropped multiple large, violent tornadoes across much of the southern part of the state. One of those tornadoes hit the town of Plevna directly at midnight local time. That would be 1 a.m. here. So that is the problem with nighttime tornadoes. While there's only 27% of tornadoes that actually occur at nighttime, they're 2.5 times more deadly than daytime tornadoes. That's usually because we're asleep. We aren't alerted that there's a tornado warning going on. There's nothing to wake us up. And in fact, the middle part of the country, especially the mid-south parts of the southern plains and parts of the Midwest, have the highest percentages of seeing those nighttime tornadoes. So what can you do? Well, stay aware of the forecast, of course. Go to the lowest level of your home, and that's the plan, right? You got to know the plan if a severe weather event is in place. We'll talk about this more at 6.